Hey friends, it's Mulcher with RumbleLab. You remember how we made the purple cube from Fortnite? Well, our friend MARTEX'S asked us if we'd make a bigger and better one. So we did, and we're giving one of these away, so be sure to keep watching so you can learn how to win. Alright, let's check out the cube.
So just like before, the cube still gets mad whenever you hit it. Or lick it for that matter. But this one, if you leave it alone for 10 seconds, it'll roll on its own. And to make it roll, we had to use a few extra components. And because we had to use a few extra components, the cube had to be bigger.
Like before, the top of the cube still pulls off. It's held in place by 4 magnets.
But overall, inside looks similar. Still a spaghetti farm. Wires are everywhere. But this time, on the lower level, we have a servo motor. This servo motor makes a 4-bar mechanism that drives this little arm, causing the cube to flip. You can see we also upgraded the speaker, to pump up the volume. Now the last major difference is we had to use 2 microcontrollers to make this bad boy work. That's because the servo and the LEDs don't like to work together because they both require some super fancy timing to work right. So basically we have twice the computing power and the 2 microcontrollers talk to each other. And another change we made is we got rid of the accelerometer and replaced it with a piezoelectric disc. Piezos are a cool material that generate a voltage when they are deformed. So when you hit the cube, you send vibrations through the cube, which deform the piezo and generate a small voltage which the Arduino can pick up.
So when you engineer something, you're always looking for ways to make it better. And better kind of depends on the project itself. Better may mean cheaper, it may mean more reliable, it may mean easier to work on. It just kind of depends. Like for this project, we asked you what you wanted, and you said, we would love for you to make it move, but then also you said we'd love for you to give more away. So to make it move, we added a servo and an extra microcontroller, which makes it more expensive. Now, because you want to give more away, we also needed to make it more affordable. So to do that, we traded out the accelerometer for a piezo. So basically, anytime you make something, you gotta be okay with it not being perfect the first time. You put it out there, let people use it, get feedback, go back to the drawing board, figure out what better is, and figure out how to make it better. Just like how we did with the cube. And that's it for Kevin V2. If you'd like to make your own, check out the GitHub link in the description below. You'll find everything you need there. And then like we mentioned in the beginning, we're giving this cube away, and we partnered with our friend YODE'S to make it happen. So to enter, there's a giveaway link in the description below. Go there, check it out, and tell a friend about it. Anyway, that's it. You have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Over and out.